Hi, I'm Marilyn Fleming. I'm from Talegate Media and Publishing. We're a social enterprise that makes consumer products and makes sure that all the benefits of all of that ends up in minority communities. We came to the event today to spend time with people who are developing these technologies so that we can apply them to our consumer products and expand our business.
What I find from my background, I help people pitch ideas. And all of a sudden we've entered a world where ideas are so much closer to reality than they were before. So our imaginations can open up and look at what's possible. So we can take ideas, we can build them fast. So events like these are great, where we see the cutting edge technology on display. We get to ideate around that.
My name is Emily Brady and I'm the founder and CEO of Elfgaster Network. We're an online entertainment company, producing company here in County Galway. Today's AI and innovation workshop was amazing. We had the opportunity to see practical applications that are being leveraged today. We also had the opportunity to look at how we could apply these immersive technologies in our own businesses. And a huge thank you to Eirmersive and CREW for putting on such a factual, practical, hands-on and focused workshop today. It was really excellent, so thanks so much.
I'd like to thank CREW Digital and Immersive for this incredible event where we really see the cutting edge of AI tech and VR.
Really grateful to Eirmersive and the CREW folks for making sure events like this happen in the west of Ireland. It's wonderful.